A very long day for senators in Austin. Live look, camera movement here going on inside the Texas Capitol. This is day number 2 of the Ken Paxton impeachment trial, stretching now into its 9th hour. There's the Lieutenant Governor, Dan Patrick, addressing those in the room. We do have an expectation this should wrap up in the next 30 minutes or so. Let's find out what's going on. Brian New has stepped out of chambers for a moment to get us today's highlights so far. And Brian, I think I was there yesterday, drove back this morning. We were all a little bit surprised at that 1 o'clock time frame when Mr. Paxton didn't return for the trial after we saw him in the morning. He's not there today either, is he?
No, he's not, Doug, and he doesn't have to be. As for who is here and who's here right now, as you mentioned, back there in the Senate chamber listening to testimony are all the state senators, including Senator Angela Paxton, as well as Paxton's former top deputy. Jeff Mateer was the first to take the witness stand today. He testified how he was concerned that Paxton was taking unusual steps to help a real estate investor named Nate Paul. Mateer says he found out Paul was a campaign donor and was helping to cover up an alleged extramarital affair Paxton was having. Now, during cross-examination, Paxton's attorney fired back, accusing him of running to the FBI instead of going to his boss with his concerns.
Is it possible, Mr. Mateer, that you jumped to a lot of conclusions really fast?
I don't believe so, sir.
And you could have put all this to bed if you'd just talked to your boss.
I attempted to talk to him starting probably in June, July, August, September.
No.
I did.
Take it easy.
I did talk to him, sir.
Take it.
Now, there are nearly 100 names of potential witnesses, and Doug, here we are on day 2 and are on witness number 2.
Number 2, and each side we know gets 24 hours each in their court setting. So with that in mind, how long do we think this thing could go?
Yeah, like you said, Doug, that the rules of this trial gives both sides 24 hours to make their case. Several times today we heard attorneys telling witnesses to make their answers short because they're on that time constraint. All that being said, this trial could last at least another couple weeks.
All right, Brian New, inside chambers for us. We'll let you get back in there. They're still going at it. Brian, thanks. And be sure, if you would like to, you can watch the trial live, streaming on our CBS News Texas YouTube channel. We do that every day for you. You can also find key takeaways from each day of the trial. We'll do that on our website for you, little bite-sized nuggets, cbsnewstexas.com.